I want you to be the best of your class. Yes, this time we are going to talk about the reason why you should make an extra effort in your class or at work to be an excellent designer. So last time we made a video that is going really well, during which I was explaining the reasons why you should not be the best at any cost. We were talking especially about the concept of not overdoing the work, daily work. We said that this can bring to a burnout, and that's something you want to avoid, at any cost. If you want to watch this video, just click up here and you will see the video. Today we are going to talk why in reality you should always try to do your best. Because it is a sort of a responsibility that you should have and that you should show in order to become an excellent designer and accomplish your mission. Because I often speak about the mission of a car designer. A car designer is a job role in society, but also product designer that is not just like any job. It's something special that not everybody can access to, that not everybody deserves to be, because it's a question of talent. Many times we talk about the talent, the inner talent, something that you have inside and you develop with the time and with the help of techniques and therefore design schools. You perfectionate yourself, you become a very good designer. The role of a designer in society is always to try to do things better, maybe cheaper, but more functional. And this is a very simple principle that we can apply everywhere, in car design, yacht design, product design, especially products. So everywhere. To be the best, as I said, it does not mean to overdo, but that's, as we said, a risk to bring you a burnout. To be the best, in my comprehension, in my understanding, it means that you should always try to make the extra step, which is something that is measured. It's not something that you have to do, once again, forced by doing something that probably you don't know how to do or you don't feel like to do in that day. It's not that. It is something that it comes from inside. It's motivated by your passion for this type of job, for this type of art, because design has a lot to do with art, so it's very emotional. And when you are confronted with your colleagues in school or at work, you want to make sure that you have something extra, that you have something more, that you thought of something extra. This can be also in design management. I tell you for personal experience. In design management, there are things that probably managers see because they have more experience, and instead of just following the direction given by the director or the design philosophy of that studio, they got an extra idea or something that is very tricky but very beneficial to design or the design project, and they bring that idea up and they say, we could do also this way. And most of the cases it's a surprise, it's a positive surprise, and the management can adopt that solution very easily, especially because it's bringing a positive point into the design conduct toward the rest of the teams of the project. For designers and design students, it's basically the same thing. You have to do, a presentation, a midterm presentation. Average of class will do probably 20 sketches or 20 slides or 20 something. Well, you bring 25. Because you know that you got some extra things that are of quality. Because remember, we are talking about the extra step in terms of quality, not quantity. So if you have extra quality, you think it's very important to show that extra sketch, that extra illustration, that the illustration shows some details of functions, and that's an extra compared to what you were supposed to do, you must do. You have to do it, because that can be very good. Very good for the project, very good for the team, excellent for your manager, and mainly at the end, excellent for you. When I say I want you to be the best of your class or the best of your team, that's what I mean. You have to know when you are in the moment you are making an extra step, or you have the conditions to make that extra step. And when you are in there, you have to do it. You have to do it. This is also a question of discipline. It's a question of responsibility. You know, it's a way to honor the role that you have, which is not just to have a nice job and we're all happy about it, but it's really your contribution. It's about your level, quality level of your contribution to the cause of that project, and therefore also for your career. Because let's face it, if you are performing well, there is no reason why your management is not looking at that, noticing that, and appreciating that. The consequence will be that at the end of the year, if you are at work, you will have a final evaluation that will have some plus compared to the average of the studio. If you are in school, your teacher or your sponsor project sponsor, they will be very happy. They will see you doing more, and in a very efficient way. You are doing more because you are really bringing some extra solutions that were needed for the project. This is be the best of your class or be the best of your design team. It's a good way of working hard on your projects, for the company, but at the end also for yourself. Okay? I hope that you like this video. Subscribe if you are new. Put your like, it's very important for the YouTube algorithm. Okay? And let's keep growing this channel together. Thank you very much, because that's exactly what you're doing. Thank you. Ciao. Bye.